Well, that was a mammoth task, but I have cleaned all the newly acquired tiles, ready to lay in this area. That was a late shift for sure. But before I can get started laying down the newly cleaned tiles, I need some more materials. So, trailer's empty, let's go and get some materials and get this video underway. Excuse me. Now I must get this inside. Although it looks like it's sunny, there's always a rain cloud round the corner. This is, of course, the bags of lime that I use. So we'd like to keep those nice and dry. Well, it's come over a bit dark, so let's get some lights on. That's better. Okay, we get the membrane down, we get the bags of gravel down, a mix going, we'll get some more tiles down. Vitally important that I keep everything in the right place, don't want to be walking over it unnecessarily. Bit of a high spot here, run a level over that. I think I was okay. Believe it or not, here, that's under the level. It's high at the back, so I've naturally got a little bit of leeway as I move forward that way because the floor does slope down. So all these high spots, they look like they're really projecting out the ground, but when you put a level over them, they're not too bad. There is a depression here. This area here which makes this look even higher. So it actually shows that that high spot is actually below the level I need to be. That's okay. As the room tapers out a bit, I think I'm going to have to put a membrane underneath here, so I'll just trim the end of that off, lay it in there. What I'm aiming for here is to put the gravel down, not only to act as a kind of moisture barrier, but we're levelling off all those dips where it's high. Obviously we can go a little bit thinner, like here. Don't forget we're going to have some lime mortar on there as well. So that is the best way to overcome this really unlevel floor. Like I say, it's all bedrock in the floor, and over the previous months I have dug out so much rock and soil out of here. I just don't want to do any more. If I can get over it with this, then that's what I'll do. And look at that sunshine bursting through the window. It's amazing how level you can get it with these simple methods actually. Now it may be that when I come to infill these, I might, if I've got enough of these, I'll use those as infill. We'll have to cut them. But if not, I may use a different material. It'd be nice to contrast it with maybe some more encaustic tiles. The one I've got here is just too small. You see what's available. Don't need to be much bigger, but that would look really nice on the staggered bond, I think. I like that. But we'll see. We'll do the cuts at the end, see what I've got left over. I'm keen to keep the gap down here fairly consistent. And every now and again I'll just run the straight edge out off of the spacings of the kitchen tiles to make sure this is running square. And obviously we don't want a step between the two levels, so I'll just apply a bit of pressure on here. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.